नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहूं दिव्या। I, JVN Preeti Singh, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University. Today, I will discuss about the topic preparation of ORS powder according to WHO. Subject name is Pharmaceutics Practical and for the B Form first semester. Firstly, we will discuss about the introduction of the ORS. ORS, Oral Rehydration Solution. Oral rehydration solution, the most effective, least expensive way to manage diarrheal dehydration. The simple solution, do it yourself and increasing self-reliance. So the ORS solution is special drink for the diarrhea. And firstly, a child with diarrhea should receive oral rehydration salt ORS solution and a daily zinc supplement for 10 to 14 days. Diarrhea medicines are generally ineffective and can be harmful. So firstly, in common way, made at home ORS solution, a special drink for diarrhea. So they give the child a drink made with 6 level teaspoon of sugar and half level teaspoon of salt dissolved in 1 liter of clean water. Be very careful to mix the correct amount. Too much sugar can make the diarrhea worse. Too much salt can be extremely harmful to the child. Making the mixture a little too diluted with more than 1 liter of clean water is not harmful. So the diarrhea usually cures itself in 3 or to 4 days with rehydration, drinking a lot of liquid. The real danger is the loss of liquid and nutrients from the child's body, which can cause dehydration and malnutrition. So a child with diarrhea should never be given any tablet, antibiotics or other medicine unless prescribed by the trained health worker. The best treatment of diarrhea is to one, drink lots of liquid and oral rehydration salt properly mixed with the clean water from a safe source, and to take zinc tables of syrup for the 10 to 14 days. So oral rehydration salt is a special combination of dry salt. What is mixed with safe water, it can help replace the fluid lost due to diarrhea. When the child has 3 or more loose stool in a day, begin to give ORS. In addition, for 10 to 14 days, give children over 6 months of age and 20 milligram of zinc per day. Tablet or syrup. Give children under 6 months of age and 10 milligram of the per day table or syrup. So in most countries, ORS packets are available from health centers, pharmacies, and markets and shops. Put the contents of ORS packet in a clean container. Check the packet for direction and add the correct amount of clean water. Too little water could make diarrheal bursts. So the today's aim is the to prepare and submit ORS powder. Firstly, use the apparatus beaker 250 ml and measuring cylinder 10 ml and 50 ml, spatula and glass rod. So we can use the materials sodium chloride, glucose anhydrous, soft soap, potassium chloride, trisodium citrate, and a particular formula we will use formula gram per liter sodium chloride 2 and glucose anhydrous 13 and potassium chloride 1 and trisodium citrate 1. So the ORS is stand for the oral rehydration salt. Treatment with signs of dehydration will involve using a solution made with oral rehydration salt. Preparation of oral solution is a skill that all health workers should have. Packets that contain the ingredients in these amount are made for mixing in 1 liter of drinking water. Oral rehydration solution helps the human body in maintaining electrolyte balance consumption of ORS helps the intestines to absorb H2O. That is why such solutions are given to babies suffering from diarrhea. Use of ORS is not restricted to babies, elders, or also prescribed it for staying hydrated. So what is the preparation? Firstly, all materials should be carefully on digital balance, and then sodium chloride was mixed with glucose. Lastly, add potassium chloride and trisodium citrate. Then dispense with proper packing. So overall, the complete uh, practical protocol. This protocol created by the digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. And I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it your problem by the problem resolving class. Thank you, and thank you for the listening.